He is the current president of the Computer Society of Sri Lanka and also the president of the Southeast Asia Regional Computer Confederation. He is the head of IT of Sampath Bank and member of the governors of Arthur C. Clarke Center. He has more than 15 years of ICT experience, especially in banking and finance sector. His academic credentials include Bachelor of Science in Engineering degree in Electronics and Telecommunications from the University of Moratuwa, and he obtained his Master of Business Administration degree from the University of Colombo. Ladies and gentlemen, to welcome all of you for this lovely gathering, the inauguration of NITC 2014, please welcome Mr. Ajit Salgado.
Thank you, Dushan. Honorable Senior Minister Dr. Sarath Thamunuganwa, Honorable Minister Ranjith Siyamalapitiya, Honorable Minister Patali Champika Ranawaka, Secretary General Commonwealth Telecommunication Organization Professor Tim Unwin, distinguished guests from the Commonwealth countries, members of the Computer Society of Sri Lanka, CSSL, and ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to welcome all of you to our 32nd National IT Conference 2014. I am glad that many of you traveled from all corners of the globe and all parts of our country to grace this important occasion. On behalf of the Computer Society of Sri Lanka and the Executive Council, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. To all the overseas delegations attending this conference, I wish a pleasant stay in our beautiful country. And thank you for accepting our invitation and spending your valuable time to be with us. The Computer Society of Sri Lanka was founded in 1976, aiming to bring together all IT professionals to exchange and share their experiences, new ideas, research results on all aspects of information communication technology, and to discuss the practical challenges and solutions adopted. Ladies and gentlemen, the conference held every year provides a unique opportunity to the participants to discuss and learn about the important international breakthrough development in the field of information communication technology. The theme of this conference is ICT for Inclusive Development, and this conference will create a platform for discussion on different perspectives as to how ICT could be used to innovate and to create better solutions. The conference will finalize a declaration, ICT for Inclusive Development, beyond Millennium Development Goals, which includes policy objectives and target for Vision 2020 in the Commonwealth. Thereafter, we will submit our recommendation to the Chairman of the Commonwealth, the President of Sri Lanka, His Excellency Mahinda Rajapaksa, for His Excellency's kind considerations. Ladies and gentlemen, during the long history of human civilization, there has never been a time like the present. Because history does not repeat itself. We are living in a world which is rapidly changing. We stand at the entrance of a new world, a whole new way of living. Today, the world is more closely knit than ever before. I strongly believe that education is the stepping stone to a better world, as it provides a passport to this new world. As IT professionals, we need to be responsible for our children's lives. We need to have the courage to demand a better education for them. It is the best investment, no matter where we live. Ladies and gentlemen, CSSL aims to serve a platform for relevant academic exchanges through a higher education institution, focusing especially on sharing of good practices and results from studies, thereby saving foreign exchange to our country. We sincerely welcome all CIOs, all developers, all administrators, teaching staff, researchers, and persons involved in higher education to participate in the event which we are going to introduce in near future. Ladies and gentlemen, Asia region has the fastest growing information technology market in the world. Under different national flags, their dreams are one. Their visions are similar. Their aspirations are identical to achieve action in social, cultural, academic, economic and political lives. But Sri Lanka is trying to play a different role as a booming hub for technological services in the hope of creating thousands of new jobs for the country. One of the key advantages is the availability of diverse, high-quality IT skills in the country. With a high literacy rate, the number of IT professionals being produced annually increasing, and all receiving various extensive training, certifications, and specialization. With that high literacy rate, Sri Lanka has sufficient resources to provide the leadership and knowledge to other Commonwealth countries where desired IT literacy rate may not be available. As the apex body that represents all IT professionals in Sri Lanka, CSSL assures our support to the government of Sri Lanka to meet the country's economic challenges. The sense of honor derived from this event will stay with us for all times. This is intensified by the fact that never before have we hosted such a large conference where a number of high-level delegations representing the people of the world participated. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizing committees, CSSL Executive Council, the staff of CSSL, Commonwealth Telecommunications, Honorable Minister Ranjit Siyambala Pittiya for being the patron for NITC 2014. Our sponsors, IBM, MIT, Hitachi, Mobitel, Sri Lanka Telecom, and our partners, ICTA, Ministry of ICT, Ministry of External Affairs, electronic media partner, ITN, official newspaper, Vijaya Newspapers, official application partner, ESOP Technologies, and also foreign and local speakers, volunteers, and those who have contributed immensely in numerous seen and unseen ways to make NITC 2014 a success. I must mention, having a successful conference without your support is a daunting task. It's a great honor for us to host this conference, and our hope it will be an interesting and learning experience for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I would like to place on record my appreciation for your presence today. Thank you.